Will our galaxy collide with the Andromeda galaxy anytime soon? If it were to collide, then what will happen? Will we survive or will it end the mankind? Those are all the questions which come to the mind when we think about our neighboring galaxy. So today we are going to answer all of those questions in this video of Knowledge Donators. So make sure to watch till the end so that you can show off to your friends about all the amazing knowledge that you have. Hope you will enjoy the video. So let's get started without wasting any time. Now to begin with, let's understand that what is the Andromeda galaxy. The word galaxy here refers to a huge collection of gas, dust, billions of stars and their solar systems held together by a strong force called gravity. There are trillions of galaxies in this universe, which are millions and billions of light years away from our galaxy. One of them is the Andromeda galaxy, which is almost 2.5 million light years away from our galaxy. The Andromeda galaxy is a huge spiral galaxy which spans around 260,000 light years across the universe. Now let's answer the first question, that is, will our galaxy collide with the Andromeda galaxy anytime soon? The Andromeda galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at about 110 kilometers per second. So well, sorry to scare you, but yes, our galaxy is destined to collide with the Andromeda galaxy. Now to calm you down, that is going to happen about 4.5 billion years from now. So you are not going to be in that scary moment. The new galaxy is nicknamed Milkomeda or Milkromeda. Now let's get to the next question. What will happen if it were to collide? You might think that it would destroy the whole solar system including our Earth, but nothing like that is going to happen, as the stars in galaxies are spaced quite far from each other, which makes it rare for two stars to collide. For example, the nearest star to the Sun is Proxima Centauri, about 4.2 light-years away from the Sun. To visualize that scale, if the Sun were a ping-pong ball, Proxima Centauri would be a pea about 1,100 kilometers away, and the Milky Way would be about 30 million kilometers wide. So the chances of even two stars colliding is negligible, although there is a 12% chance that the solar system will be ejected from the new formed galaxy, but that will not affect the Sun or any planet in the solar system individually. But even if that does not happen, still the Earth would not be a habitat to the mankind at that time, as the temperature on the Earth would be too high for liquid water to even exist. If you want us to make a video on that topic, make sure to comment about it. So that answers the third and final question, that it might not end the mankind itself, but at that time the conditions would already be far worse than we need to survive. That means no one is going to experience that beautiful scenery when the Andromeda galaxy would be seen clearly in the night sky. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can receive more informative videos like this.